We're talking about how to get cryptocurrency if you have no cryptocurrency and if you're flat broke and you're just watching these videos for entertainment purposes only and you're not using Runnerbot, you're not making crazy gains, you're not making thousands of dollars. Guys, this is the basic bare bones step, some things that you guys can do to bootstrap your chances of success, okay? So first things first, guys, what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to go over to coinflip.tech and they have an app, okay? They have a crypto ATM, but you don't need to do this, okay? Just get their app on Google Play. Right here, get the CoinFlip crypto wallet and you'll be able to buy crypto through your app, okay? So get that, and you're like, well, I don't have any money. How am I supposed to buy crypto? Well, there's this company called BioLife, okay? You can actually donate plasma and make up to $800 in 30 days, okay? This is on top of your job, guys. This is really, really easy to do, okay? I've done this before when I needed some extra cash. It's very easy to do. Keep in mind that your first time that you do this, it's going to take about 2 hours. They do a physical. Make sure that you're healthy. You're drinking lots of water, electrolytes, and all that good stuff. Okay, and they have this all throughout the United States, guys. They have it all throughout the United States, and they'll actually give you a debit card that's crypto friendly, and you can purchase your crypto with that debit card and put it on your wallet. Okay, so wherever you're at, guys, it doesn't matter. It's all in all 50 states. Okay, I think it's pretty much in all 50 states. Okay, so you can just come over here. You can click on any one of these, okay? We can just go over to, let's just do Florida or Hawaii. They're everywhere. It just depends where you live, guys. You just come in here, okay? And I don't see any for Hawaii then. That's funny. Okay, let's go to a different state. Let's do Arizona. They should definitely have some locations, I would think. Okay, so yeah, you just come over, like say you lived in Arizona, right? You come over here, you pick wherever one that you want to go to, okay? And the beautiful thing about this, guys, as soon as you're done, you get your debit card, you can buy your crypto, and then you're rock and rolling, okay? And I have a certificate thing. Let me show you this. Actually, I created it. Yeah, right here. Okay, so this image right here, I'm gonna give this to you guys. You guys need to print this out, okay? And when you go over to get the or do the plasma, just let them know that I sent you, okay? Referred by me, and this is where I was at in California, okay? So this is all you got to do, guys. It's valid until the 26th. So yeah, if you're serious about making extra money for crypto, you need crypto, definitely do it, guys, because they give you a debit card, and then you can just get this app, okay? And then you can easily just, buy Solana with that. Okay, and you can do it twice a week. So you can make probably like an extra $150 a week on top of your job, guys. So if you're struggling, you're on the fence, you're like, oh, I don't have $100. Unfortunately, guys, a lot of Americans nowadays, they don't have an extra $100 even. It's really, really, really sad. So yeah, just come over to the site, find your location, print this out, okay? Print out this certificate. I'll have this, guys, for you guys below, in the link below for you guys to do that. But it's just a creative way to think outside the box and get some money coming in, guys, because I know a lot of people are struggling. And this doesn't take any skill, guys. All it takes is time. That's all it takes, And besides, when you do this, guys, you're giving plasma, and plasma is like the volume part of the blood. It has like all the proteins and the antibodies and all that stuff. You're doing the world a service, guys. You're helping people that, like burn victims and people with like really rare diseases. You're helping keeping them alive, and you're getting crypto in return. So it's a very powerful, guys. Very, very powerful. I'll have all the links below for you guys to do this, all right? Guys, just do it anyways. Just do it out of the goodness of your own heart, and in exchange, you're going to get some crypto. Then you can get in a Runnerbot, and then you can start printing these 100Xs with me and the crew, all right? So that's pretty much it, guys. Signing off from Tropical Bliss. And remember, guys, money loves speed, so make sure you take action on this stuff, guys. Take massive action, and then you can start making some money with crypto, all right? I'll talk to you guys later. All right, peace.